In China, one bids farewell to the past and welcomes in the new year by setting off firecrackers. This ritual also signifies getting rid of all unluckiness.
扔掉父母的压力吧。
我今年想告别异地恋，
想扔掉我的玻璃心，还有我的一些多愁善感。
扔掉我的老板。
我们想告别单身，
有想忘丢掉一些烂桃花，
把去年的烦恼、霉运全扔掉。
People wrote down all the bad stuff they wanted to get rid of on Yearcon's firecrackers. We then strung all these bad luck firecrackers together to form a belt. The more people submitted, the longer the bad luck firecrackers belt became. At more than 65,000 feet long, the world's longest digital firecrackers were hung at all the landmark buildings of major Chinese cities. The bad luck firecrackers were all set off at the same time on mobile phones and outdoor screens to blast away the nation's bad luck in the year of the rooster. Each explosion brought out a Lunar New Year's gift from Yearcon. Yearcon's Lunar New Year campaign helped more than 5.2 million people get rid of last year's bad luck and start anew in the year of the dog.